A stamping die is a specialized tool used in the metal forming process known as stamping or pressing. It consists of two primary components, a punch and a die cavity. The punch is the upper portion of the die that descends onto the metal workpiece, while the die cavity is the lower portion that receives and shapes the material. The stamping process involves feeding a metal sheet or strip, known as the blank, into the die as the punch descends with immense force. It deforms the blank into the desired shape by pressing it into the die cavity. This process can involve various operations, such as cutting, piercing, bending, or forming, depending on the design of the die and the desired outcome. In the world of metal manufacturing, stamping die plays a crucial role in shaping and transforming raw materials into intricate and functional components. These specialized tools are designed to cut, form, and mold metal sheets or strips with remarkable precision and efficiency. From automotive parts to electronics components and household appliances, stamping dies are indispensable in a wide range of industries, enabling high-volume production and consistent quality. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.